Learning English can be exciting, but it can also be difficult, especially when it comes to speaking. Many new learners of English often feel shy or nervous when they have to speak in English. However, regular practice is the key to becoming fluent and confident. If you are wondering how to practice speaking English in a way that is easy and fun, this video will help you. 1. Start by talking to yourself. One of the best ways to practice speaking is by talking to yourself. This may sound a little strange, but it works. When you talk to yourself in English, you can practice sentences and words without the pressure of speaking in front of others. Here are some things you can do. Describe your day. For example, say, "Today I woke up at 7 a.m., I had breakfast, then went to work." Talk about what you see. If you're looking out the window, you can describe what you see. The weather is sunny today. I can see many trees outside. Talking to yourself in English helps you get comfortable with the language and think in English. 2. Listen and repeat. Listening and repeating is a simple but powerful practice method. You can listen to English speakers from movies, TV shows, YouTube videos, podcasts, etc., and repeat what they say. This helps you learn correct pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm in speech. Find an easy audio or video. Choose a video or audio with simple English that you can easily understand. Repeat sentences or phrases. Pause the video or audio, then try to repeat exactly what was said. This will help you sound more natural when you speak. You can also listen to English songs and repeat the lyrics. This helps with rhythm and improving your speaking flow. 3. Practice speaking with friends or family. Another easy way to practice speaking is by talking with someone else. You can ask your friends or family members to practice with you. Even if they don't speak perfect English, practicing with them will help you get used to speaking and hearing English. Start simple. Begin with small conversations, such as asking about their day or talking about the weather. Ask questions. A simple way to keep a conversation going is by asking questions. For example, "What did you do today?" Or, "What is your favorite food?" Even if you make mistakes, practicing with someone will help you build confidence in your speaking skills. 4. Use language learning apps. There are many language learning apps that can help you practice English speaking. These apps allow you to speak into your phone or computer, and they will give you feedback on your pronunciation and grammar. Some popular apps for learning English speaking are Duolingo. This app helps you learn English in small, fun lessons. It gives you exercises where you have to speak in English and will check your pronunciation. HelloTalk. This app connects you with native English speakers and other learners. You can chat with them by text or voice, which will help you improve. Busuu. Another app that offers speaking practice with native speakers. You can take lessons and also practice your speaking skills. These apps are helpful because they let you practice speaking at any time and place. 5. Speak with native English speakers. One of the best ways to practice English speaking is to talk with native English speakers. Native speakers can help you learn the right way to speak, and they can correct any mistakes you make. There are many ways to find native speakers to practice with. Language exchange programs. You can find language exchange partners online where you help them learn your language and they help you with English. Websites like Tandem and Speaky allow you to connect with people who speak English and want to learn your language. Online classes. You can take online classes with professional English teachers. Websites like Italki or Preply allow you to book one-on-one lessons with teachers from all around the world. Social media groups. Many social media platforms have English learning groups where you can meet people and practice speaking. Talking with native speakers will give you the best idea of how English is really used in everyday life. 6. Join an English speaking group. If you want to practice speaking with many people, you can join an English speaking group. Many language schools, community centers, or even online platforms have speaking groups where you can practice with other learners in person. Look for language meetups or community events where people gather to practice speaking English. Websites like Meetup can help you find local language exchange groups, online speaking groups. If there aren't any groups near you, you can join online groups. There are websites and forums that offer free speaking groups where people meet virtually to practice their English. Speaking in a group is a great way to practice different topics and hear how other people speak. 7. Watch movies and TV shows in English. Watching movies and TV shows in English can help you learn natural language and improve your speaking skills. It also helps you learn how English is spoken in different situations, like in a store, at a party, or in a meeting. Choose simple shows or movies. If you are a beginner, pick shows or movies that are easy to understand. You can start with cartoons, children's shows, or simple sitcoms. Use subtitles. You can use English subtitles to help you understand the words and follow the story. Pause and repeat. If you hear a sentence you like, pause the video and repeat it out loud. Try to copy the way the actors say the words, including their tone and emotion. This will help you sound more natural when you speak and teach you new vocabulary. 8. Record yourself speaking. A great way to check how much progress you are making is to record yourself speaking. Use your phone or computer to record yourself speaking English. Talk about any topic. You can describe your day, talk about your favorite movie, or explain how to do something. Listen to your recording. After recording, listen to yourself carefully. Try to spot any mistakes in your grammar or pronunciation. This will help you see where you need to improve. Over time, as you listen to your recordings, you will notice that you sound better and more confident. 9. Learn phrases, not just words. When you practice speaking, it's better to learn complete phrases instead of only individual words. This is because in real conversations, we don't usually speak in just one word. We speak in sentences and phrases. For example, instead of learning just apple, learn phrases like, I love apples, or can I have an apple? Instead of go, learn phrases like, I need to go to the store, or let's go for a walk. Learning phrases will help you speak more naturally and make it easier to have conversations. 10. Be patient and keep practicing. Finally, remember that learning a language takes time. You will not become fluent in English overnight, but the more you practice, the better you will get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language, and it's okay. Making mistakes is how we learn. Practice every day. Even if you can only practice for 10 or 15 minutes a day, it's important to practice every day. Consistency is key to improvement. Conclusion: practicing English speaking doesn't have to be difficult or boring. There are many fun and simple ways to practice every day, from talking to yourself and listening to your favorite shows, to joining speaking groups or using apps. The most important thing is to stay motivated, be patient, and practice regularly. Over time, you'll notice that your speaking skills improve, and you'll become more confident in using English. Good luck with your English practice, and remember to have fun.